Hey everyone, Nerf Wife here with the Titan CS-50. This is like ridiculously big. It's like twice the size of our 1-year-old. But anyways, this blaster has a 50 round drum magazine and also has a rotating barrel for firing. This even has a shoulder strap because it's that big. Look at this thing. I can't even, it's huge. This is I can't even review this. This is it. The Titan CS-50. It supports all standard mags and runs on 4D batteries. It's a blast of fire. No pun intended. Actually, I didn't intend the pun because I do like puns. But yeah, even Predator couldn't escape this blaster. So the Titan CS-50.